Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I did not want to do any video, but one of my subscribers insists that I should do a crypto trading. So I actually want to do that, and I pray it should come on time to see this. Actually, I want to focus on spot trading because as a beginner, if you want to enter into crypto space, either you want to trade spot or future, I would advise you to first of all start with spot trading because that is less risky compared to future trading. So what you need to do if you want to actually engage in this spot trading, what is spot trading in the first place? Spot trading is just like buying a particular crypto when it gets deep and sell it when it gets high, like when it gets regain in value. Let me use that word. So what you need to do before doing this, you cannot just enter into market or any crypto exchange and you want to implement any strategy or you want to carry out spot trading. You first of all want to know the analysis, how to plot it for you to be on a safer side. So first of all, what you need to do is you come to CoinMarketCap. Once you are on CoinMarketCap, you click on filters. Another menu will pop down where you see category, algorithm, platform, industry, and add filter. You click on add filter. Once you click on add filter, what you need to do is to set the price and the volume. Let's set the price from $0 to $1. Then you click on apply filter. After inserting the price, what you need to do again is click on volume. You now set your volume to be 100 million to 500 million. 100 million to 500 million. Okay. After inserting your volume to be 100 million to 500 million, you now click on apply filter. You click on show results. Okay, as you can see, this is the results they are showing below. Then what you need to do is let's just pick a random coin here and check if it's actually going to be valid for us to use it. What we need to do is just pick up a random coin and see if it's actually going to be valid for it. Let's go for this let's go for Dogecoin and see. We click on Dogecoin. Okay, it's loading. Okay, after clicking on Dogecoin, let's click on market. Come to where you see market and click on market. But see on Binance here, the minus 2% is actually greater than the plus 2% depth. That means what this means is that the coin is actually on Binance, that the coin is actually dipping, that it's actually going down in minus 2% depth, while the plus 2% means that the coin is regaining value in plus 2% depth. So we are now going to move to our Binance. So right now we are on our Binance. First of all, let's go back and show you how I get to this interface. Once you are on Binance, you search for Doge/USDT. So what we are going to do now is we click on these two things you see like candle here that is close to this toy, what you are seeing like robot here. You click on the two candle. Once you click on the two candle, it will take you to another interface where you see the candle moving and everything. So this is the interface. This is how I normally plot out my trading. So what I use to plot out my trading, first of all, is called Bollinger band. Bollinger band is these three lines you are seeing: the yellow, the purple, or sorry, the yellow, the pink, and the purple. While the VOL you are seeing is this one below here, but what my strategy, my focus is always on the Bollinger Band. Anytime you find a trade, you find a trade and it touches or below this down Bollinger Band, you enter into the market and wait for like 3 to 4 hours, and you sell it anytime it crosses the middle Bollinger Band and make your profit. Sometimes you can wait for it to touch the upper Bollinger Band before you set it, you sell it and go and buy again when it gets down to the lower Bollinger Band. As you can see, this coin is actually going down. It's actually going down to the lower Bollinger Band because it's actually -2% depth. Like that -2% is actually dipping, so it's going down. Imagine you enter, okay, imagine you enter the market at this price 0.08392, let's just assume, and you sell it at this point. Let's say, let me see, and you sell it at 0.086, making cool profit. So anytime the candle touches the lower Bollinger Band, you start you enter into the trade, and anytime it goes to or it's beyond the middle Bollinger Band, you can, instead of it to be greedy, you can actually sell it once it crosses the middle Bollinger Band. Or if you want to be greedy, you can actually wait, let it go up to the yellow Bollinger Band, that is the upper Bollinger Band, before you can actually sell it out and make your cool profit. Let's see something. Let me show you something. This is the strategy I normally use. So assuming you enter into the market when it was 0.3, let me say 255. Okay, you now enter with the sum of $100, which will give you 1201 Dogecoin. So what you need to do is, what if, then assuming you actually enter into the market when it was deep, and you now sell it when it regain value at 0.86, let me say 33, you're making $3 difference. That is your profit. You're making 3 USDT as your profit. Imagine you enter at that point. You say, okay, let me go and show you again. Let me show you again. Imagine you enter into market at this point 0.00392, and you now sell it when it gets to, let me plot it, and you now sell it when it gets to this point 0 0.086. You will see that you make at least $3 or $4 in a day. What if you actually wait for it to get to this 0.007? You will be making like $4 or $5. You can actually see that it's actually working. So what you need to do is, you need to go, first of all, go to CoinMarketCap. Just use the method I just show you. Once you find a coin that is minus 2% depth is greater than the plus 2% depth, you can actually come to Binance, any crypto exchange that you want to use, and make sure you insert this Bollinger Band, because this is the simplest strategy, the simplest I don't know, the simplest strategy to use ever. So this is the simplest strategy to use ever. You just come here and you see, I'm actually telling you that this coin is actually going down. You will see this coin will go down to this lower Bollinger Band, and it's also, after touching the lower Bollinger Band, it will also climb up again. But some people, assuming you do your analysis very well, you understand what I'm actually saying. Just first of all, go to CoinMarketCap. Make sure that you check your 2% depth and your plus 2% depth. Make sure your minus 2% depth is greater than your plus 2% depth, and you now come here and enter into the market. Imagine you try this, like, let me say, let me move to my calculator and show you something. Okay, I'm on my calculator now. Let me say 3 times 1,600 650 naira. It's actually 4,950 naira. Imagine you are doing this 4,950 naira times, let me say, 5 times in a day, or 3 times in a day, you're making 14,850 naira in a day. Okay, 14,850 naira times 30 days, you're making a whooping sum of 4,445,000 naira every month. So it's actually something that is legit. So just follow the strategy that I'm showing you. If in case there's anything you don't understand, you can just call my attention on the comment box, ask a question, I will answer you there, because when we are making video like this, we don't actually want videos to get long. And sometimes if your video is too long, people will get tired. Even in normal class, when we are in class, if lecturer is teaching too long, we get tired. So I don't actually that is why I always brief down, summarize my video so that you understand quickly. Because if I want to spend a day, like 1 week, 2 weeks, showing you this one-on-one, you need to pay for the time. Because by the time I'm using to show you, I might be using that time to be showing other people some updates. So if I'm creating my own time for you, you need to actually pay for it. So but with this I'm showing you, I'm just trying to summarize the video so that you can see. I'm just showing the key points with what I do to make money using doing spot trading. So that is just the key point I'm showing you. So that is it. Just follow my strategy and you'll be making cool cash to yourself. Just follow this and you're making cool cash to yourself. It's actually simple, guys. You can do this. Okay, you people can see that the coin is actually coming down. It's actually coming down small. Before you know it, will now hit to this lower Bollinger band and you will now buy it. So if you find this kind of content good, you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, please. Thank you.